Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a little review on Nail Supply Glamour acrylic system that I just purchased. So if you guys want to see my overall thoughts and the outcome, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I made a purchase from Nail Supply Glamour, which came out to $50 for just two products, but they are large in size. So the first product that I purchased from Nail Supply Glamour was the Odorless Acrylic Monomer, which looks like this. This is 8 ounces, which is pretty heavy and will last me at least 6 months since I don't have that many clients and I'm just getting into acrylic application on myself and others. And then I purchased the Nail Supply Glamour Crystal Clear Acrylic Powder, and this is 8 ounces as well. And this jar is super huge compared to like a 2-ounce jar. I have the Mia Secret Natural Pink, and this is 2 ounces. Like, there's a big difference. So this is really, really big and should last me as well. And it is super, super clear. So while I am, doing my nails, which you will see further on in the video, you will see that it is very, very clear. It's an amazing clarity, but the monomer is a slow setting monomer. I didn't realize that until I started applying acrylic, and I'm like, why is this taking so long to dry down? And I realized that it says right on the back that this monomer has no smell. This monomer is slow dry, ideal for use in beauty schools and state board test. Now, I prefer something that dries much quicker because this took forever to set, but it did set eventually. And yeah, so this is the outcome. I didn't get to show you guys the design because my phone was dying, and yeah, so this is what I did. I just painted them a nice little nude. They're like a tapered square coffin shape, and they're not that thick. It's been a while since I've done acrylic. I've been working with the Yogi Builder Gel lately, and it just wasn't cutting it for me. I work in a warehouse and I need something a bit more sturdy, such as acrylic. So I am back into acrylic, and I have missed it dearly. And I will say that this is very odorless. You don't smell the monomer at all. Does it smell good? Not really. And you only really smell it when you put your nose to the bottle, but it doesn't smell like monomer at all. So that is a plus, but it's slow setting. So it's really up to you guys what you guys prefer. If you prefer a slow setting monomer with no odor, or do you prefer the odor with a fast setting monomer? It's completely up to you, but yeah, I really like the way they came out. They seem pretty sturdy. They do the clickety clackety stuff. They did come out shorter than I wanted. I have to work on that. I always cut them down and think they're going to be too long, and they end up being a bit shorter than what I like. But let's just get into the trial slash reviewing or demoing portion. So let's get into it. So also, big announcement, I have a new intro, and I use the intro in my outro as well. My boyfriend just made this intro for me, and I absolutely love it. I love the design. I love the song that we chose. It took us an hour to pick a song, but overall, I'm super, super happy with the background. And also, my videos are going to look a bit different because now I have like a green screen, and he's like really good with all this stuff because he's always been into like techie stuff. So I'm super excited. My videos should look a lot more clean and sleek, especially my makeup videos. So yeah, so let's get into the video. Okay, so I just got this package in the mail. This is from Nail Supply Glamour. I'm not going to flip this paper over because it has my address, and the address is on the other side of this box, so that's why I have it cut open already. But my total came out to $49.57. That's including shipping. And I did use Natalie Carmona's discount code, which saved me $4.40. And basically I only got 2 things, but they are large sizes. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to unwrap these real quick and then come back and show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing I got is the Nail Supply Glamour Crystal Clear Acrylic Powder. I got an 8 ounce because why not? The more the better. Even if it's not good, I'm sure I could find a way to make it work. And then the second thing I got is the Nail Supply Glamour Odorless Acrylic Monomer. So I'm really hoping that this doesn't smell as bad as the one from Mia's Secret or like any other regular monomer. So we're just going to get right into the video. The rest of the video is most likely going to be in voiceover. So hope you guys enjoy. So I just took off my old set of nails. Now I need to like file them down, shape them. This nail is going through it. It's like not wanting to grow back. I'm not sure what's going on, but I can't have it out here looking crazy. So yeah.
Let's just say there was a little damage done, and if you guys finish over $100,000 car. But look at guys in the comments below. Just please, if you agree with this, just speak your piece in the
So this is what the nails are looking like right now. I started filing the pinky, but these are still setting. And I just read the bottle and it's a slow setting monomer. The liquid is a slow setting monomer. So it is taking a while to set. So I'm probably going to have to let them dry for like 10 minutes, which is annoying in a way. But I rather wait for them to dry than have something that smells super strong, especially since I have a son. He's not home right now, but yeah, I would definitely prefer a slow setting monomer than the acrylic scent. But they did come out pretty nice. You will see how I designed them in the intro and the outro most likely, because I'm not going to do that on camera. I really just wanted to focus on the actual acrylic application. I didn't film the whole thing because this video would have been way too long, but I will show you guys what they look like in the outro, which will probably be the next clip. So this is the first hand that I did, which is almost done drying, but this one, as you can see, is still a bit like wet. So yeah, I think I did a pretty good job, and you guys will see what I did to them in the next clip. I had to flip the camera because it wasn't focusing, but super, super pretty. And I did like encapsulated glitter. Super pretty. I like it. So that is the end of this video. And again, this is how the nails came out as far as design. I applied some simple bling, you know, just some centered bling and then some on the bottom. Really, really simple. And yeah, I didn't want to do nothing too crazy today as far as design because I'm probably going to want to do a fill in a few weeks. So I want to be able to take this stuff off and see how this acrylic works as far as doing fills. So I personally like the system. I just don't like the fact that the monomer is slow setting. So I'm probably going to try it with the Mia Secret monomer, or maybe a monomer from Sally's, because I don't feel like waiting in the mail for another monomer. So yeah, on that note, that brings this video to an end. Drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching me do my acrylic nails. If you want to see more videos, then comment down below. Like, if you want to see more nail videos, let me know in the comment section. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. I'd love to have you guys join the Rose family. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!